Yeah. Hello. What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. We are doing a hair tutorial today. I have been wearing this hairstyle quite a bit recently because it is one, super easy, and two, it is super easy. It's easy. It doesn't really involve a lot of direct heat to your hair, and it is just a really simple and easy way to kind of get a good hairstyle so that we're put together here and we can go about our day. So if you want to learn how I got this scrunchy 90s inspired but updated curly wavy hair, then please keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is take my hair out of this thing. So I have the Marc Anthony Bye Bye Frizz silicone-free protecting leave-in conditioner. Honestly, guys, any leave-in conditioner for me is wonderful. I'm going to spray this throughout my hair and then I'm going to brush it through. This is just going to help me detangle my hair, get all the knots out. So once I've brushed out my hair, I'm going to be using the BB Thickening Go Big treatment. I want this hair to be big, voluminous, curly, scrunched up, and just, you know, perfect, like we always want to have in our hair. We always want our hair to be perfect. So I'm going to use this. I'm going to spray this just generously all over my hair, kind of staying away from the roots because we'll get to that in just a second. So now I have the Bumble and Bumble Thickening Full Form Soft Mousse. I love to put this right at the root, right here at the top, so that we can have some more volume in our hair. So the spray that we used before, the thickening spray, is going to help thicken throughout our hair, and this is going to help thicken the top of our hair. So the next step is this guy right here. This is the Coconut Curls Decadent Creamy Mousse from OGX. I'm going to put this in my hair while it is towel dry, and then I'm going to let my hair kind of dry and curl on its own. My natural hair is pretty wavy. It looks kind of straight now, but that's because of just the heaviness of it being wet and being weighed down. But my hair dries in a really pretty wave, and when I use this, it actually goes even more into a wave. I'm going to use this once, twice, maybe 3 times throughout this tutorial, just a little bit at a time. This first coat of it I'm going to use the most, and then as I hit my hair with a blow dryer, then I'm going to add a little bit more just for some more volume and some more texture and more curls. Okay, so this is what it looks like so far. Nothing crazy, just a little bit of a curl. It's still wet. I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup, and I'm gonna let this dry the way it is right before it is too dry. So kind of like between dry and towel dried we want it to be. I'm gonna hit it with a little bit more of this guy and a couple of other products which I will show you, and also my hair dryer so that we can give it that volume and that bounce and that very soft wavy curl. Alright guys, I am back. My hair is not fully dry yet. I'm gonna take a little bit more of this guy and just scrunch it through my hair, and then I like to flip my hair upside down and take a blow dryer to it so that we can give it a little bit more volume, especially at the top. So this is what it looks like after a really quick blow dry. A little crazy, but before we tame the craziness, I want to add one more thing that's going to give this a lot of texture and volume. This is the BB Thickening Dry Spun Texture Spray. I'm going to add this to the roots of my hair so that we can make sure that this volume stays. If you feel like you need to, you can hit it with the blow dryer a little bit more to really dry that in and hold it. And then to finish off these curls, to give them a little bit more of a softer look and some shine, this is the Coconut Curls Finishing Mist. I'm just going to spray this all over my hair, top to bottom. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish my makeup and then I'm gonna come back and I'll show you the whole look all together. Alright guys, I am back. Here is the final hair. Hello. Hello. Nice and voluminous, really easy to deal with and do. Voila. Da-da. Da-da. Doo-doo. Beep. Boop. Boop. I hope you guys enjoyed this hair tutorial. Thank you so much for watching and checking out this video. As always, make sure to subscribe to me right here in the center of the screen. Click that notification bell so you don't miss out on any other videos from me, and check out all my other videos right here on the side. Love you guys so much, and I will see you soon.